gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody.
Hello everyone, very good morning. I'm Ankita and I'm from Delhi. So today I came in Thane West and it is snacks corner is there and it has located in BKB near Thane station. Like if you can ask anyone, then you will get this shop. And the name of that shop is Sri Durga Snacks. And exactly it is in market and nearby that Malhar Talkage. If you have to come walking, by walking and near BKB, near Thane station also. You can ask anyone, then definitely you will get. And it has been 40 years of selling this vada pav. Like basically it is famous for vada pav, but now they have added so many things in their menu. So the vada pav is very special. So today I will try only vada pav and let's see if I wanted to try and I will try, otherwise I will not. So in that vada pav, the coconut chutney again, it is very famous, and that garlic chutney, that sweet chutney, it is very dry chutney you will get, and that coconut chutney. And the other thing is famous apart from that vada pav, so that samosa is very famous, misal pav, and what he told me, mendu vada and idli sambar. So I will try, and a lot of people actually came here and they are eating, and the place is very clean, hygienic I can say. And while standing there is a platform, so while standing you have to take your breakfast. So I thought this is a good way to explore in at morning time, because I will have that vada pav in my stomach and I will explore their shop also. So usually you can come at any time. Basically it is in Mumbai, so vada pav, like if you are not getting anything and you have only 10 or 20 rupees to survive whole day in Mumbai, so I think vada pav never goes wrong, and that cutting chai. So with that vada pav, actually there is no any cutting chai and all. So with that vada pav, so they will give me that lemon juice. So it is in quite good in bottle, and that straw will be there. So let's try, and it has been very clean. The staff is very good. The owner is also very good. Everything is good. So I will give my order and I will show you how their vada pav is going to be made. Okay. So guys, I ordered for me that vada pav, and with that vada pav they have given me this sauce. So I'm going to try. I'm very excited. This is pav and this is my vada. This is quite big actually. And it's very hot. And with that, they have given me that garlic chutney and that coconut chutney. So let's try. I'm going to try. That's great, that's amazing. Then vada pav, the potato inside of that vada, it has cooked properly, and it's not that much of spicy, and the coconut chutney is little bit cold. The garlic chutney, wow, really this garlic chutney is so delicious. I haven't tried anywhere else. I have explored in many places, but Durga Snacks Corner, I like the most. Really, I haven't garlic chutney is something delicious, and I love it really. And that you know, vada is very fresh. You can see it's puffy and soft also. And there is my lemon juice. So I'm going to try this lemon juice. Is very cold. That is also good, delicious, and it is also very cold. And I have tried that they are being vada, idli, and samosa pav, misal pav also, and everything was delicious. I like the most. And lot of crowd is coming, and it is very rush here. You know, on Saturday or Sunday you will never get a place to stand and eat. Lot of rush is there because when I came on Saturday to ask, like you know, I just wanted to ask, like I wanted to ask, they haven't got any complaint. So really they haven't got any complaint, and everything is good here. People love to come here, and they like to eat here because everything is so fresh, and they will serve you with good quality, with good quantity. And if you want extra chutney, definitely they will give you an extra chutney, and it is quite very hygienic. Everyone is working, and whenever you know that they will give you the fresh food. So when I found them in that bucket, so like it was not like that, you know, they have filled. Like before you will come, you have to just wait and give you. Like you have to just wait for 10-15 minutes because you know they have already fried that potato. So they will take out, then they will give you very hot. And I was standing here when I was taking the video. So you know, one person he came and he took a lot of, I think 10 vada pav for his family. So as you can know, and it has been 14 years, so there is a trust the shop has built in people heart. So definitely people will like to come and eat here, and do visit. If you are coming in Thane, then really I will recommend you to visit this, because the food is good, everything is good, nothing is going to happen, and it is just, you know, near outside of that. So definitely you will like, I like the most, and do visit to this place. Till then I will finish my vada pav has remained, and that lemon juice also. And if you like my video, then like, share and subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you like to watch, if you like to see few vlogs, then like, share and subscribe, and share with your friends. And till then, take care, and I will